Hi Ben.
Hello.
This is my cousin Ben. Yeah. We're at a party and we're going to light off fireworks. Here are the fireworks. There's my buffer. Light off fire. Light off fire. Light. You read it. Here's my other cousin.
Hello.
And here's my other cousin. Ben.
Just need a lighter as well. I'm not sure that's really good, is it? Stand back, stand back, stand back.
Oh.
Push me all the way back.
Alright, we're all safe.
Are you scared, Grandpa?
Yes. Was that it?
Well, wait.
That did not work. Just no, it didn't work. Sad.
Is that a rocket?
Right, everybody stand back.
Yeah, I'm not bullet chef out
Oh crap!
That is not explode. I don't know why.
there. You need a milk bottle.
You can touch the smoke and it's like bam.
Right, yeah.
We're gonna light it off
were
a
you
bit of
filming
beard.
that?
Just,
Were you filming that when it exploded?
yeah, well.
Were you?
There.
Alright, go.
Please go up.
Go, go, go.
Mom,
Oh,
you're too
that
safe. Shut up. I see it.
Right, all stand back. There's too many people around the fireworks. Come on.
Sure. They're just gonna blow up the box.
No need on, no need on.
That was pretty good. It's a bit too close to the other one.
I know, I was thinking what the other one's like.
That was overwhelmed.
You ready?
Run.
Right, everybody.
Wait. Don't be near it yet.
These ones.
There, you've got the big fireworks.
Right at the top. Let's stand back. Yeah.
There's a big hole left. One more to go. They're doing another one. Yay! Big firework. Let's watch it.
Me?
There.
Hey, there we go.
Firework party over. Sure it's some. Grandma, you like that?
Are you taking me? Yes, it was exciting.
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Do you like that?
Yes.
Grandma. You're not grandma.
I'm not grandma, you always call me grandma.
I just call my auntie grandma. Here's my cousin. And there. He's touching this. You can see your skeleton. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I've got a cap gun. It's got the caps in it. Let's go and try it out. Let's do this. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to Cal IMD, Tom Stewart 04, Roy FH, Craig Cube and Daniel Edison, and including Ben Hughes. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe. Bye.